Video, I will show you a simple Steam trick that can boost your FPS and improve game performance by using Steam launch options. This method works for many games on Steam and only takes about 1 minute to set up. So let's get straight to the method. First, open up your Steam on your computer. When Steam opens, click on Library on the top of the launcher. Now find the game for which you want to boost performance. For this example, you can use any game. Right-click on the game, then select Properties. When the property windows opens, make sure that you are in the General tab. Here you will see an option called Launch Options. Inside this box, type the following command, /hi /novid. Let me quickly explain what these commands do. The /hi command tells Windows to run the game with higher CPU priority, which can improve performance and make gameplay smoother. The /novid command skips the intro videos when the game launches, which makes the game start faster. After entering this command, simply close the property windows. Now launch your game from Steam like you normally would. In many cases, this small tweak can reduce stutters, increase FPS, and make sure your game launches faster. And that would be all for this quick Steam trick. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice wonderful day.